Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to apply formula to entire column. So as example, I will set value in this column. You can type 100, 200 and 300. Okay, another column I will set 500 to 500 and 200. And the third column 300, 300 and 100. Now I will create formula in this column. You can click auto sum and press enter to be show for the value with the formula. If you want to add this formula into another column, like in here, you can click and then go to the corner here, click, hold, and then you can move to drag it. Release, it will be add into the selected column. Okay, I will set again, select at these points, equal sum. Okay, opens, and I will sort at these rows, close, and enter again. Now to add, you can click at this point, hold, and then move to the bottom here. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to apply formula to entire column. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.